All right, so first off, Jamaica leading 1 goal to 0 to 80. Let's be honest, the Asians them are dominate first off them entire them. You walk before we get in that, hit the like button, people. Really hit the like button. I really appreciate if you guys hit the like button. The Asians are dominating first off. 15 shots, 4 on target. They are 63% possession. Them have 10 man. Fortunately, Jahmari Clarke score again. So that's fortunately. Let's not put this aside. Jahmari Clarke got some very good opportunities and he did not put them away. It needs to be a lot more clinical than that. It needs to be a lot more clinical than that. Hats off, he scored a wonderful goal. I think that is just pure instinct. The goal that he scored is just pure instinct. But we are leading at halftime. We are struggling. This is now where Fuzzy getting paid. This is where Fuzzy getting paid. This is the point where Fuzzy getting paid. What am I paying Fuzzy for? This is where he improve himself. This is how we know if Fuzzy are getting paid. Because this as a coach is where you make the tactical changes. Them got 10 man down and we did not adjust to that. Them still a pressure with 10 man, them still a pressure them still a force you back, still a create out a chance, them a kick from way out, fine. But then still 1 and 2 times them a leak through, them not get off a shot. We need to fix that up. We have to fix that up and do better in the second half. This is the first half analysis, post analysis, and we will, second half final game, final review. You will get that. But the first half post analysis, we have to fix up. But big up, Jahmari Clarke scores. Yes, big up people, big up. Hit the like button. We're out.